Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about Google Gemini AI image generator. So we are in Gemini right here and it's pretty new, so this won't be expected like we expect. So it's really simple. You can generate simple images. So generate a picture of a MacBook. So we can do that right here, MacBook, and then it will generate it a rough image for it, but it's not totally like those other AIs that are super hyper realistic. But this is just more like a small scale chat GPT type of AI. So as you can see right here, it's really blurry, but it gets the job done. So it's pretty accurate. It has the MagSafe charger with the two USB ports right there, the Apple logo, but the keyboard looks inconsistent somehow. So you can regenerate it if you don't like it, of course. And it's really simple. You can ask anything and everything right here. It's simple. So you can even ask ChatGPT to write you a prompt so that you can transmit it right here and then ask Gemini to generate the picture. So Gemini 1.5 Flash is what we're using right now. So there's also 2.0 Flash. So let's actually use that right here. So done. So generate a picture, let's just say of a shark, picture of a shark, and then let's see what bigger improvements it can make throughout Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental. So it's really relatively new. I would use other AIs, so we have other AIs in the channel that you want to check out. And as you can see, it's not looking too great right here. It doesn't even have gills. So basically, it's just a rough image of what you want, but it's not totally what you will get. So if you want, you can go in depth by prompting it even more. So this one does not have a tail and extra fins for some reason. So as you can see, it's not totally accurate. But that's how you actually use Google Gemini AI generator for your general use. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.